With time running out and no resolution in sight for the Jammu and Kashmir government formation, the BJP and the PDP are now staring at each other, and there seems to be no middle ground in sight so far, with sources telling your channel that there could be a president's rule imposed.
Even as the BJP president was busy rolling out party's agenda in Telangana today, in Jammu and Kashmir, the BJP's debut bid to power seeing a major roadblock. The PDP refusing to blink to strike the deal. In fact, in January, PDP's Mufti Muhammad Saeed met with Hurriyat leader Abdul Ghani Butt, and once again, reports of separators meddling with the government formation with the PDP being condemned by the BJP.
First of all, the only meaningless people in Jammu and Kashmir are the separatists, because they have no meaning there. The people have rejected their own calls. So the so-called, what they call Muslims, and all the citizens of this country who are also Muslims, Hindus and others, and in the state, rejected these people. They have no ground reality. They are separated from reality. So they can keep saying what they want.
But the BJP continues to woo the PDP, even climbing down from its initial demand of a chief ministerial post, giving out hints that it is content with the deputy chief minister post in the valley.
जो ये कह रहे हैं कि हम अहिंसावादी हैं, जो ये कह रहे हैं हम पब्लिक के आदमी हैं और हम मारपीट में विश्वास नहीं करते, अगर किसी ने प्रोटेस्ट किया था तो उससे बात करनी चाहिए थी बनिस्बत उसको बुरी तरह पीटना, मारना या उसको पुलिस को दे देते. तो मुझे लगता है कि इनका असली चेहरा सामने आ गया.
This alliance between BJP and PDP was never in the roots. It was floated only to create a sensation.
And amidst all the speculation, the BJP president still hoping for the best.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बातचीत चल रही है. एक विचित्र प्रकार का मैंडेट है, तो स्वाभाविक है फॉर्मेशन में थोड़ा समय.
Jammu and Kashmir created history when they saw people coming together and voting to elect their government, ignoring calls to boycott the polls. But will the political parties honor their mandate and give them a good governance? Bureau Report, Times Now.